Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn action in MS PowerPoint. It has two types, mouse over and mouse click. In this video we are going to learn the mouse click. This is another tool you can use to connect to the web page, file, email addresses or the slide is called the action button. Action buttons are built-in shapes. You can add to your presentation a set of link to the another slide, play a sound or perform similar action. When someone clicks over the button, the selected action will occur. Action button can do many things, same things as a hyperlink. They're easy to understand and make them especially useful for self-running presentation at booth and keynote. Now how to add the action to your presentation. Very similar way, just like a hyperlink, you have to click on the insert. Here you can see the action just besides the hyperlink. Now I want to insert a action for this PowerPoint presentation which I have. So I will click on the shape first. Here in the bottom you can see a action buttons. If I want to create a PowerPoint presentation where each and every slide will have that home button that will lead to the first slide. So for that what I will do, I will go in the view, then slide master I will click. Now here you have to click over there like this, or you can close it for once, and if you want to start it from here like this, then you have to click on the view, slide master. Now again in the insert tab, shapes. Now I want a action button which is available readily in MS PowerPoint. I will select it and I will put it wherever I want it. Now if I'm going to click on that, I want to go to the first slide, or you can select the last slide view, end show or the custom show, or the slide whichever you want. So if you want to go to the first slide, select the first slide. It will show you the preview of each and every slide. I want to go to the first slide. So I will click on that and I will click OK, and here I will click OK. Now once it is done, I have to click over here and I have to close that loop which is a slide master from here. So this slide master is open over here, so I want to close it because it is applied to my PowerPoint presentation. Now when I go to the normal view and I will click on the slideshow, if I move in my slides, it will show me the button which is used for the action. Now if I'm going to click on that button anytime, it will lead to the first slide because the action which I have given to do, it is doing that same action. Next one is the, if I want to insert a sound, then what I have to do, I will insert again a shape, normal shape I will do this time like this, and I will put it here. For this slide only I want, that's why I'm using this. If you want to apply to all the slides, then you have to use the slide master. Then I will write here play a sound like this, and I will increase the shape size. Now I will click on the action, click on the play sound. I will use the play sound whichever I want, bomb or the breeze or something like that, whichever you want you can use. Next one, I will click OK. So when you go in the slideshow view, if you click on it, it will play the sound whichever you have selected. So that is the use of action. So when you click on the action, it will show you which action you have to perform. First action is hyperlink. On this slide you can see there are multiple action you can do by using the mouse click option. You can create a hyperlink, you can run the program, you can run the macros, you can create object action, and you can play a sound. Just select the shape, click on the action. Here, if you want none, you can select none. If you want hyperlink, you can click on the hyperlink. If you want to run a program which you have created in the background, you can use that. If you have created a macros, then you can also use the macros. If you have an object action, you can also do that. Player sound also is available. If you want to insert some sound, you can insert a sound from here. If you want to insert another sound from the outside of this MS Office, you can use that sound also. Just select the sound and click OK, and it will perform the same action whichever you are doing. The only thing is you have to click on that shape and then it will perform the action. That is the use of mouse click. It's a very similar way. There is a mouse over action is also available. If you want to know more about the mouse over, there is a separate video available on our channel. You can watch that. Thank you.